All right. I want to explain to you a little bit about the pH scale. This is a pH scale, and it has numbers from 3 to 11. And the pH scale simply is used to actually find oxygen in liquids and oxygen in your blood system. So when you're not in a neutral position, you're at 7.3, 7.4. That is the amount of oxygen when you're nice and healthy. That's what's in your blood. So that's when you're nice and healthy. Now, when you start raising the pH level anywhere above 7, it's called alkaline. A lot of people relate alkaline to battery acid. Alkaline simply means oxygen and energy. That's what alkaline means. Now, when you start dropping from the 7 down to, say, 6 to 5, you're called acidic. The best way to describe acidic is like when you cut an apple open, let it sit, it starts to rot. That is what happens to our body. We start to rot. It is the way we start to actually become more ill in many ways. So what happens is you want to stay away from the acidic side. So through our lifetime, we drink a lot of tap water, we drink bottled water, and of course other sodas and many other liquids. Now, we want to do a test here, and as you can see, they're color-coded. Starting from 3 all the way to 11, 7 being neutral, and yellow being very acidic, 9 being blue is very alkaline, which is oxygen. So we're going to take our water that we do naturally, and these are ceramic beads, and we're going to do a little test here with our water here. Now I already took the liberty of getting tap water, so that's going to be tap water. And we have bottled water, so we're going to do bottled water. We're going to do famous soda here. And we're going to try to find oxygen in these liquids, in these clear liquids. I'm using a chemical called reagent. Reagent is used in swimming pools and spas to actually find the oxygen so they can balance the oxygen and the chlorine. So we're going to add some reagent to the liquids. And as you see, they start changing color now. This is our soda here. This is our bottled water. And this is our tap water. And this is our Dream Tree water. This is the Sprite. I'm going to raise it up to the pH. As you can see, it's almost to a 5. It's very acidic. I'm going to raise the bottled water. As you can see, it's also very acidic. Now, we're going to raise the city water, and city water is about a 7. It's neutral. And I'll explain to you why they're changing colors and why city water is at 7. This is our water from Dream Tree. It's 9.5 in alkalinity, which is oxygen. Now, the city water, they have to add a lot of chemicals to the water to meet state standards to sell it to the public. Okay? Now, bottled water is done through a filtration system called reverse osmosis. They clean the water. They take a lot of the bacteria out. When they take a lot of the bacteria, a lot of the minerals, a lot of the oxygen is lost in the process. So that's what we call dead water. It has no health value. It's good water. You can drink it, but it has no health value. So the soda here, we all know it's done by chemicals. So chemicals are not good for our body. So I want to show you another demonstration about our water here. Is like, you know how it's we have oxygen. I said this water has a lot of oxygen. We're going to try to find oxygen in our liquids here. I'm going to try the soda. I'm going to try the bottled water. And the tap water. As you can see, they changed all colors. Now, I want to go a step further, and I'm going to show you how this is a plastic mug here, jug that we're going to use. And we want to show that demonstration how a lot of oxygen, let's say this is your body, okay? And you want to drink oxygen. So you're drinking our Dream Tree water, and you're being above the 7. That's where you want to be, okay? So you want to be above the 7. You want to stay away from the acidic side. So now we're going to use tap water. say with oxygen, and you would be still alkalinity in the purple side. So now we're going to drink bottled water, and that would be alkaline. Okay. Let's just assume that you go home and you drink one of these sodas. This much soda here is all chemicals. Now this is your body and you're being alkaline. You drink one soda, okay? We all know it's chemical. This is what it does to your oxygen in your blood. Turns it back to acidic. So that's what it says. Now, we're not telling you to stop drinking the soda, stop drinking bottled water, stop drinking tap water. We're simply telling you that here in Uvalde now, we have good quality water we can drink. Thank you for the demonstration.